ready?
Yep.
Oh, hi. It's Weather Wednesday. Well, we outside. We're really feeling the weather. It says like 33 degrees. It's not raining. It's a little cold. But I have a vehicle here, a new color. The Honda Ridgeline. It's the TrailSport model. There's some features that you're gonna like, and this vehicle is very, very versatile for whatever adventure you'd like. I'll show you this vehicle a little bit. Whether the weather is warm, cold, raining, we're gonna be outside. You know, it's 33 degrees. It's not too bad. It's a little bit cold. But if you're walking and moving, you know, really it's not gonna feel very cold. So I'm gonna start the vehicle out for you. Let me show you. And I'm gonna move it forward so you can see how practical this vehicle is. Do you is it an outdoor activity you want to do? Now this truck is very practical, so you can put hunting gears, maybe fishing. You can lift this up. See all the room it does provide. Because of the model, it's the TrailSport, so you have all-season floor mats. It will protect the vehicle for you. I'm gonna move the vehicle forward so you can see what this truck is all about. You're gonna like it. So I'm gonna pull it forward for you in a minute. But it says, check this out. It's unavailable. So anyhow, this model on any Honda Ridgeline, it's called the dual action tailgate on the Ridgeline. It's like one of a kind. Like you can use it as a conventional truck, 300-pound payload, 1100 is about 1500 on the truck. Underneath here, you can open this. Check this out. Climb in here. Hey, check this out. Now the other thing you see with this vehicle on the bed, you don't need the bed liner. This is called steel composite. So you can put anything, you can scratch, but you don't need to put the liner on this truck. So this is what's different about the Honda Ridgeline. And then right here, if you do outdoor activities, you don't need to take a cooler. I think it's 8.5 cubic feet. You can put ice if you do fishing. And then there's a plug over here. Let me show you. You can drain the water inside here, so there's no water can be inside. Put this back. Okay, you got the spare tire, and it's weatherproof. If everything is in there, you close it. It's all sealed, ready to tow. Look at it. Trailer hitch, 7-pin awareness connector, dual chrome. It's a V6 vehicle, 285 horsepower. So are you ready for an adventure? This is all we have. Aside for the Ridgeline, we have a small SUV. It's the Honda HRV. We have the Honda CRV with hybrids, and we have a few more vehicles out there. So here, come and see us. You see me. I'm the only guy here who can tell you today's weather is 32 degrees. We outside. We actually experimenting the weather. So long, everyone. We'll see you next week. It's 2026. We'll see you next week.